Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the curl error in Roblox. This issue is usually caused by network problems, VPN interference, firewall restrictions, or corrupted installation files. First, restart your device and your Wi-Fi router to refresh the network connection. Next, check that your internet connection is stable and working properly without interruptions. After that, disable any VPN or proxy services as they can interfere with Roblox connections. Now go to the Windows search bar and search for Windows Security. Open Windows Security and go to Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through Firewall and locate Roblox. If Roblox is not listed, click Change Settings, then click Add another app. Search for Roblox in the Windows search bar and select Open File Location. When File Explorer opens, right-click the address bar and copy the address, then click Browse, paste the address, and select Roblox Player. Click Open. Then click Add to include it in the firewall list. Make sure both private and public options are enabled, then click OK. Now try opening Roblox again. If it still does not work, uninstall Roblox completely using Add or Remove Programs. Search for Roblox, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, open a browser and go to roblox.com/loaned to reinstall it. Once everything is done, restart your device and launch Roblox again. The curl error should now be fixed and the game should run normally. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Roblox curl error by restarting the network, disabling VPNs, adjusting firewall settings, and reinstalling Roblox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.